How's it going, YouTube? So here are my videos. I usually cover breakups and how to recover from them. But as the old saying goes, a good defense is the best offense. So in this video, I'm going to teach you ladies how to prevent breakups with your man by becoming a texting goddess. I'm about to teach you 10 texting rules to make sure that a guy stays interested in you. And not only that, these texting rules will make him want to chase you like no tomorrow. Now I know you're probably skeptical, but just give these quick texting tips a listen and then try them out for yourself. All right, number one, show him that you have a life and passions outside of him. Now this is one of the biggest attraction killers when it comes to texting men. If you give your man a sense that he's the center of your universe, then he's actually going to lose attraction for you. Now remember, men are naturally hardwired to want to chase women. So if you don't give us a reason to feel that hunger and that desire, we generally slowly lose interest. Now that's not to say that I'm trying to convince you to play mind games or mess with your man. In fact, quite the opposite. What I'm encouraging you to do is to actually have a passion and a life outside of your man. So, spend time with your friends, spend time with your family, and have hobbies that only you do. Don't always, say yes to him when he tries to make plans. To do this, you can just occasionally text him something like, I'd absolutely love to go out with you tomorrow night, but I promised my bestie I'd join her for a paint night. Can we do Thursday instead? And once your guy senses that you're the raddest human being of all time, then he's just going to pursue you like a dog chasing after some raw meat. And number two, try to remain positive all the time. Once you get to know a guy, it's easy to let loose and to begin, complaining about some of the more negative aspects of your life. Now, there is nothing wrong with confiding in your man about things that bother you, but this can also be a real attraction killer. If you're constantly texting your guy about how shitty your life is, then eventually he's going to think that you don't have any control over your own life. Or even worse, maybe he'll feel responsible for how shitty you're actually feeling. So, do your best and try to always be cheerful, positive, and upbeat. And, make sure your texts actually reflect this. Now, there's a lot of reasons to be a sort of, glass half full kind of gal. So really, you've got nothing to lose by doing this. And once your man sees how constantly chipper you are when you're texting with him, he's going to be wanting to come back for more and more. Number three, don't just say, hey, or what's up. Now, this is one of the most lackluster ways to greet somebody over text. There's a ton of other things that you could do to get his blood pumping in a way that makes sure that he likes you more. Now, I know we all feel a bit lazy sometimes, but it doesn't take that much effort to sound, 10 times more attractive over text. So, you could say something like, hey, handsome guy, how did your presentation go today? Or you could say, how are you, stud? Did you want Italian or Japanese for dinner tonight? Really, a little effort goes a long way, and it gives him something more substantial to actually reply to. So remember that tip the next time you text your guy. Number four, ask him thoughtful questions. I mean, think about it. Don't you like it when a guy asks about your life? I mean, it shows that he really cares, right? So show him that you also care by asking him thoughtful questions now and then. Listen to what's been going on in his mind most often. It could be something to do with school, work, or even a hobby that he's really into. It'll not only show him that you're looking out for him, but also that you listen to him and what he cares about in his own life. And by the way, ladies, this isn't an exhaustive list of things to text your man to make him want you, chase after you, and obsess over you. For that, you need to check out this crazy but weird how-to video. Just head over to breakupbrad.com/texting. That's breakupbrad.com/texting. And watch that video on what you can do to turn your phone into a bona fide guy magnet. So, head over to that URL after you finish watching this video. And I promise that after you watch it, you will have the tools to make your man feel a special kind of connection to you that no other woman has ever given him. And number five, don't always respond too quickly or too late. Now again, I don't condone generally playing mind footsie with your man, but I'd be lying to you if I said that the playing hard to get doesn't work. If you respond to his texts immediately, then he's going to feel like you're too available. But then again, along the same lines, if you don't respond for a few days, he's going to lose interest because he'll feel like you're just not into him anymore. Now the key is to just sometimes respond in a timely manner and to sometimes wait a few hours before you reply. And if you followed rule number one of this video, which was to make sure that you actually have a life outside of your relationship, then this should happen naturally and organically. But there's also no harm in sort of faking it till you make it. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to do, and your guy is going to be following you around like a lost puppy dog. Which brings me to number six, let him chase you. So don't always be the one to initiate a conversation with him. Once you know that he's into you, let him text you first. This is going to let him feel like he's the one chasing you, and he's probably going to like that. Remember, guys do want to chase the woman that they're interested in. So really, there's no harm in letting him feel this way. Just remember that the next time he does initiate a conversation with you through text, give him some positive feedback. Just say something like, thanks, I was having a really busy day and it's really nice to hear from you. I'm good, what are you up to tonight? And something as simple as this can really go a long ways. And number 7, don't text him too much. And at the very least, don't text him until he actually responds. This is especially important in the early days of dating. If you text him way too much, he'll get the impression you're a stage 5 clinger. And this is obviously the least attractive thing you can do when you first meet a guy. So instead, take a deep breath and just play it cool. Be patient and understand that there's a ton of reasons why he won't text back right away. Maybe he's busy with work, school, friends, or his family, All right, and on to number 8, which is to use humor in your messages. Everyone loves to laugh, and texting is one of the easiest ways to show him how funny you can really be. And even if you don't think you're naturally that funny, you can still just send him, memes, gifs, pictures, or videos to just give him a laugh. I'm sure a lot of you follow funny Instagram accounts. So if a meme or video makes you laugh, don't be afraid to send it to him. Anything quick and fun is a great way to connect with your guy through text. And the more you make a guy laugh, the more he'll be into you, obviously. And number 9, don't be afraid to get a little sexual when you're ready. Guys love sexy text messages, especially if things are starting to get serious. And I don't mean here that you have to send him, a bunch of nude selfies. In fact, just sending him a well-crafted and classy text message can do the trick. So for example, you can say something like, I can't wait to see you tonight, the little winky emoji. Or you could say, just went lingerie shopping today, ... Really, you don't have to be specific or explicit in your sexy text messages. Anything mysterious that stokes his curiosity in an intimate way is going to do the trick. All right, and lastly, number 10, pay close attention to how you craft your text message. Don't text like a teenager. Learn to make sure that your text messages are well written, short, and sweet. Guys definitely do not like reading a novel, especially if it's about something serious. So save the relationship talk for in person, because texting is just a means to make your guy feel good and to set up real life dates. Now, of course, as I mentioned, this isn't a definitive texting guide on how to keep a guy interested in you through texts. If you want that, then head over to breakupbrad.com/texting and watch the full how-to video on that website. It's by Amy North, one of my closest colleagues here on YouTube, and she is a relationship genius when it comes to attracting guys. And in Amy's video, she goes over 3 things that you absolutely must do to make sure that the guy you're with stays interested in you for as long as you desire. And once again, you can check out that video at breakupbrad.com/texting. All right, ladies, thank you very much for watching this video. I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.